I know they're big horsies, but you're all right. See? Yeah, you're all right. You're big horsies, but you're okay. See? Look how big these horsies are. But you're all right. Right? You're all right. You walk with the horsies? Hmm? Right? Yeah, you're all right. Come here. Come here. You're all right. He was being a bit of a whiny baby. He's being a bit of a whiny baby. Look at you. You're gorgeous. You're gorgeous. You're gorgeous, horsies. Yeah. Tucker's stressing you out. He's a little stressed out. He ain't never seen none of you guys. He ain't never seen a horse before in his life. In his whole 6 years, he ain't never seen a horse before. No, he ain't never seen one. He has no idea what I'm doing with you. Hey, there's a big horse, hey bear? Don't kick at me now. You wanna come see these horses? Hi. Hi. Look at that. These are huge horses. Like, they're just giant. Well, except for this one. This one's a baby still. This one's just a little baby. You know mom's a little protective over her. Or him. I think these are all females except for that black one way down there. I think that's the male. But he's blind too, so... There's a baby. Yeah, there's a baby. There's that baby. There's that baby. Yeah, are you nibbling on me? Are you? That hurts actually. Yeah, you gotta be careful. Back up. That's mommy right there. That's mommy. She's checking in to make sure everybody's good. Yeah, she's checking in to make sure everybody's good. Oh, what was that? Was that the baby horsey? Hey! Tucker. It just about bowled me over. Sit down. Sit down. You chill out. That little with the noise kind of tripped them out. But that's it. That's it for the day. We're gonna bring Tucker home now. Let him get some water. Cheerio, people.